SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to turn on or turn off auto rotation on an iPhone 14. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. Your iPhone 14 has a setting called Portrait Orientation Lock. This controls whether or not the phone will rotate between different orientations based on how you're holding it. If the phone will currently switch between landscape and portrait if you turn it to the side, then it's likely that Portrait Orientation Lock is disabled. If you want to change this auto rotation setting, then you need to swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open the control center. And then you just need to find this button that looks like a lock with a circular arrow around it. If you tap that, then you'll see that Portrait Orientation Lock is on, which means that the phone is going to stay in portrait orientation regardless of how you're holding it. If you find that your phone is currently locked into portrait orientation and you want to stop that, then you simply need to tap this button again, and you'll see that Portrait Orientation Lock is off, meaning that the phone will switch between portrait and landscape as you rotate it.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit SolveYourTech.com.